Look at how adorable and cute this Cinnamoroll digital camera is. I'm so excited to unbox this Cinnamoroll Model A digital camera with you. This camera is made by Kidamento and is suitable for kids aged 3 years and older, or even for adults as an on-the-go fun camera. This is an easy-to-use, compact, and durable camera. Thanks again to Kidamento for sending us this camera. So let's have a look at this box first. So here's the front, the side, the back, and the other side. So in the box, we have this cute pack of Cinnamoroll stickers. Which one is your favorite? They're all so cute, aren't they? There's a user manual, and also there's this cute Cinnamoroll scavenger hunt memento book. If we open it up, you can see there are several pages for you to put notes, stickers, or any other items that you would like to stick in this notebook. Isn't it cute? It has different Cinnamoroll characters on each page. Also in the box, there's this camera strap, another attaching strap, a charging cable, and of course the camera. Let's take a tour of this very cute camera and all the functions it has. So on this side of the camera, there's a rear camera, there's the speaker, and that tiny hole there is for the microphone. On the side of the camera, there are these two holes here to attach the strap. And on the bottom of the camera, you can see that there's a hole here to charge your camera, and it also comes with a memory card. At the top of the camera, there is a on-off button. There's a switch lens button between the rear camera and the selfie camera, and there's a shutter button right here. And at the back of the camera, there is a monitor, the selfie camera up here, and there are 4 buttons. So the top button is the settings button, there is a left and right button, and on the bottom, there's an album button. And really interesting, there's this silicone ring that goes around here to protect the camera, but you can also remove it like this. Isn't that cute? The camera is also super small and compact, so it fits in the palm of my hands. In fact, it's almost the same size as my AirPods Pro case. If you look at it from the side and also from the back, it's almost the same size. Now let's turn on the camera and take a few photos. Hi Cinnamoroll! So now we're ready to take a picture. Let's take a picture of Cinnamoroll. Say cheese! So here is the photo of Cinnamoroll. But did you know you can also take photos using the different frames that come with the camera by pushing on the left and right buttons? Let's go through some of these different frames. Aren't they cute? Which one is your favorite frame? So let's take a photo using this frame. So here is the photo using the frame. And here is the photo without the frame. Which one do you prefer? This camera also has a super fun mode called the burst mode where you can take 3 photos at a time. All you need to do is go into the settings, go into burst, and toggle to the burst on mode. Now let's try taking photos using this fun burst mode. So here I've taken 3 consecutive photos of Cinnamoroll. 1, 2, and 3. Another fun feature is that you can even do these burst photos in the selfie mode. So Cinnamoroll, are you ready? Say cheese! So here are the 3 consecutive photos that I took. The first one was the front of this booklet. Oops, I didn't take the second one in time, but I did capture the back of this photo album. Quite fun, don't you think? Also, did you know you could also take videos using this camera? All you need to do is push on the shutter button until you get this video mode. And all you need to do is push on the shutter again to take your video. And once you're done, don't forget to turn off the camera. The camera also comes with this convenient and super cute camera strap. All you need to do is to attach the loop and then attach it to the strap like this. So now we're ready to take out our camera, and I love that the strap is adjustable so we can hang this over our neck or as a shoulder strap. Of course, one of my favorite ways to use this camera is as a bag charm. Doesn't it look so adorable against my bag? Of course, you can also use it without the strap. I find that the camera is pretty durable because I dropped it a few times and it seemed to be fine. This is definitely one of the cutest and most compact Cinnamoroll digital cameras. Don't you think so? I hope you found this video useful, and if you're interested in this camera, I highly recommend to get this camera while it's still available. I'll leave links down in the description box below, and if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I'm super active on my Instagram page with a lot of Sanrio content. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye now!